The glass just I didn't even exploded. I didn't even insane. I didn't even the glass just exploded. I didn't even oh my god. Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and today I've been messing with the S10 here. Now, what I've done so far, it's not the easiest to see, but what we have here is the horn, and then it's got this air horn that was wired in but wasn't wired in for some reason. So I tied into the power wire for the other horn, just kind of split into it, ran that to the compressor for the air horn, and now that's all good. Down here underneath this turn light we had to replace, and I don't know if we'll be able to see under here or not, we replaced this socket. You can't even see in there to see how nasty that is. That is so gross, so gross, so gross. You don't need to see what a light socket plugged in looks like. You know what a light socket plugged in looks like. It's a light socket. And over here, we did pull out the headliner real quick. And while I've got the headliner out, I went ahead and put a little bit of sound deadener up top. It's not the world's greatest install. I don't have a roller, so I'm just doing it with the head of a screwdriver, trying to get out all the air pockets and whatnot. You can see it's not great, but it's not bad. It's getting the job done. It sounds way better. I don't know how good that sounds on your end, but I think it's way better on mine. And one thing I'm gonna have to do, the horn was wired through the door. This is a horrible idea. It's not fused. It comes in the switch, the button, the horn button, the button. It was just attached right here. The windshield was leaking. Got a new windshield, which you should have seen before, but button was screwed in here. It's been leaked on. It's all rotten and nasty. But now, ta-da, we have a horn, but that's gonna have to get rerouted. Going through the side like that with no fuse in it, that's not gonna stay that way. There's the power, literally feeding off right there. You can see the red wire with the blue connector. That's how it's been ran before. Not fused, literally just a hot wire. So that's a fire hazard waiting to happen. I'm gonna put an inline fuse right in there and hopefully correct that. Find a hole somewhere in the firewall to run wires through. This is a mess right now. But trying to get onto it a little bit at a time, just to, you know, get the truck looking a little better. That's where my day's been. Figured I should probably grab the camera and show you guys what all I've been working on. But hopefully you guys like what you see. Just kind of a little update as to what I'm doing. And yeah, oh, I forgot, the glass, the broken glass. Holy crap. So, as some of you may or may not know, I've tried to do a little bit of screen printing in the past. Unsuccessfully, I'm not very good at that sort of thing. But what I forgot to do, I was cleaning on the garage the other day. I know it doesn't look like it, but I was cleaning. Moved some stuff around, and a piece of glass, tempered glass, was sitting at an angle, and I forgot I had it sitting there, and now I have got shattered glass all over back in there. That is so just awful. I'm gonna have to pull all this back out, clean it again. Just cleaned it yesterday. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I will see you guys next time. Hopefully, thumbs up, like, subscribe, all the good things. It helps the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.
You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss.